Hi everyone, I'm Tammy from Sitemate. Managing plant and equipment registers can be time-consuming, leading to outdated licenses, insurance, and maintenance records. Dashpivot simplifies this process by allowing you to effortlessly create, update, and manage your registers, ensuring all key asset information is accurately captured and sorted. In Dashpivot, you can create a template entirely from scratch or choose from our public template library, which offers many ready-to-use templates. Let's run a search at the top here for register, and as you can see under asset management we have two formats available. You can preview this before adding them into your workspace, and keep in mind that everything that you see here is fully customizable once added. Using the PPE register as an example, you can start creating these forms using the add on the top right corner. Our standard PPE register template includes text fields, multiple choice options to select your PPEs, dates, question for training, another text box for comments, and then the sign off at the end. Once saved, the form will be organized in a timeline format sorted by date input into the form like this. All forms created are then automatically compiled into a register, where you can use filters at the top to narrow down for specific forms, such as if you're searching for specific PPEs, and then you can export these data as CSV or PDF. Editing the template format is easy. Dashpivot features a user-friendly drag-and-drop system. There are many fields to choose from the left-hand panel, and you can rearrange the fields as needed. To ensure that important and unique information is captured and not duplicated, forms can be made required or even exclude from form cloning. Conditional logic is also available for some of the fields, just like the PPE multiple choice list here, where if you select Other, an additional text field pops up for you to specify. The list module here can be used as a database with various properties. Let's look at the tools and equipment list as an example. Here we store various information about each tool and equipment, and we also have a calibration due date. This is an expiry date property type where you can set notification for certain people to be notified before the due date or when it's overdue. Forms can be created and submitted using our Dashpivot mobile app for easy access. Forms are organized in a timeline just like on the web access. You can create a new form using that plus button or continue with the existing one. Once done and you need to share a copy of this document with others right away, you don't have to go back to your computer to export the file. Instead, you can send this form as a PDF via an email directly from the app. The app works offline and is available on both iOS and Android devices, making this process even more accessible for all personnel involved. Dashpivot can be used for many other use cases, and data can be synced to external tools such as SharePoint, Excel, Power BI, etc. using our integration product Flowsite. With this, you can seamlessly transfer your plant and equipment register data from Dashpivot to your preferred data storage, analytics, or any other tools. That's it for me for this video. Try Dashpivot for plant and equipment register today using our sign up link and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.